Welcome guys to another video. Today I'll be playing Animal Company. Yeah, big scary video, I promise. I said that like twice already. Wait, so we're gonna go fishing. Yeah, they copied Yeeks. I know you see me. So let's get fishing. You can give me a fishing rod. Come on, I'll give you something. Give me a fishing rod. Give me a backpack. Hello. Bro. Give me a backpack. Ooh. Okay, there. Come here, fishing rod. That's why I'm here. You get your own for free. I miss sleds.
You're right here. I could just.
I love sleds for Yeeks. I literally didn't even check out the update. What I press on?
Grab it. I know it's hard, but.
Alright, let me fish. I'm tough.
There.
I love fishing. Hey, look. Look. Hey, fish, come on out, bro.
Hey, come on. Come on, sticky thing. Feed the fishies. Hey, eat it.
I can never get this. I love you say more. If I play Animal Company more, I would totally get this.
I know we can get faster. Oh, I got a fishy.
How does this work? If I use way better, bro. Use this.
Go ahead, put two. Shoo. Bye-bye. I think I'm gonna fishing. It's cool. Hey, fishy. Which one is easy? Just press the number 1 button.
Fuck, I'm gonna go swimming.
Oh, you wanna go to the new thing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take you. Come on.
I need ammo though. Wait, hold on. It's way better, bro. I don't get it why people love Animal Company so much. Ooh, spooky. Oh shit, I need a glow stick. Give me that shit.
I already got a light.
Give me that shit, bro. Now.
Not faster. Okay, you're asking me what to do here. It's easy what to do. Very easy. Stop it, bro. Stop it.
Fuck.
It's not even rare. Okay,
Question.
what did I say? No, I don't see it. Here, you want this?
Of course I do. Okay, let me get close.
You gotta fish first.
I don't like fish.
Okay, I'll fish them for you. Where's the little fish? It's not like that, okay? I like fishing. Oh! Fight! Got that bitch.
Ooh. Oh, I love this now. You're gonna give me that fish, you know, right?
Okay, I think it's open.
What's that?
Okay, give me that fish.
There, go.
Did you go inside?
Of course! What do you think? I'm sorry about that. Hold on.
I'm scared. Ooh, I love this secret.
Brother,
You gotta kill that. See, you gotta kill that.
No, it's
To go inside.
look.
Choco? You have to still when I come back?
Oh, look. Oh, shit.
You scared me.
No fucking food.
Please don't die. Let's go, guys. I mean, Richard. Hurry.
Grapple her now?
No, you gotta do parkour.
You fall down.
You are definitely dead. Good. Oh, there's more of those little shits.
Can I put the fight? Babe, can you come get the fish? Wait, never mind.
You don't need the stupid ass fish. Hurry up.
Hey, do you want the fish?
No.
Hey, do you want the fish?
Come on. If you die, I swear. Oh yeah, up here they say that there's a door. I'm gonna go check it out.
What happens if you touch the fucking
I'm not dead.
do I fucking my head You come out with the stupidest shit ever. I love you, but there's nothing over here. Right?
It's right there. What do you mean? There are doors right here.
What's the code?
I don't know.
You should know.
Let's go down.
6, 7, 6, 7. Imagine they actually move.
Hurry up, let's get down here.
Imagine if they like all the way down. Where the hell are you?
Whatever, I'm gonna go back. Hurry up.
Oh, you're in here. You could have just fucking said that.
Yes, I am.
So, do we have to kill the fucking now?
Chocolate. Sorry, but you gotta do this parkour. Also, don't crash out when you see an ugly ass tree, okay? Don't crash out when you see 2 hearts. Go.
What the fuck?
How are you all the way over there?
I use my fucking grapple. I'm gonna shoot this.
Die!
How'd you die?
The D80. You are so funny. Thank you. Okay, yeah, we go down. Woo, what a good water slide. Woo! Let's go in here.
That is fucking.
Oh yeah, don't ask why is this stupid 2 hearts. They kill, by the way. Ah! Get up here!
You kill them?
Yeah, watch this.
No, don't. Where the fuck do we go?
So get down there and they're about to kill you. They follow you. Shut your ass up. Quack your ass.
Walk your ass.
Shit, don't die, please.
I gotta go edit my videos.
Bro, what the hell?
I'll study
Tell me. Oh yeah, we go over here, by the way.
I'm sitting down. That's how bad the update.
Be careful, don't fall.
I'm in.
Yeah, by the way, did you go in there?
Yeah, I did. Okay, what the fuck do we do now? We're in the stomach now, no? Because there was 2 spots. How the fuck are we?
Here?
You should add in like a shark or something. This update sucks.
Area. Go.
What the fuck is that? Y'all really want me to play Animal, you know? Oh my god. Y'all actually really want me to play Animal Company. My friend keeps telling me to play Animal Company on my Discord.
Can you say we'll do this later? So.
Yeah, she's gonna buy more thingies.
I get that.
But so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Shout out for my cousin who helped me make this. Over there, right over there. She rich like that, bro. Yo, Fib, do you mind buying me a pack, a bundle? Okay, anyways, bye.